Hi there, this is Adventure Rider Pandit Fakir Yogi Brendra Yogi, and here is my best friend Bodrov from Moto Control, one of the best teachers who is really telling us what are the mistakes the riders make and they injure themselves and so many dies. I have covered in my first video on this topic. This is the second video, dear friends. See, the riding is very exciting. It is very energetic and enthusiastic action. When I ride my bike at 100 km/h speed, I become so much happy and overjoyed. I start whistling, I start flying, I start gliding, I start really being in the sky. I become so happy because the speed thrills me. And the protective bike which I am riding is KTM series, KTM 390, KTM 890, and so on and so forth. Also VS-Strom series, VS-Strom 250, VS-Strom 650, VS-Strom 800D. These are real bikes which I love to drive. Of course, my dream is to ride BMW R1250 GS. Dear friends, I am in the 60s, but I love riding. That craze was cultivated when I was a child, and this has come from my family. My grandfather was a horse rider. He was really doing a lot of hunting, but I hate because I am a Pandit Fakir Yogi Brendra Yogi. I love birds, fish, animal, plants and humans just like my own feelings. I will never harm and hurt anyone. What adventure riding I am doing, this is just for my joy. Also to really make myself positive. The monotony and the dullness, lethargic in life, I don't want that. I want to be active, supremely charged, always having a lot of interest in living life. So these bikes are real things. I have already covered in my other videos. I had craze for bike first, then I switched over to SUVs, particularly the off-roading SUVs. I have driven the middle class SUVs manufactured by Tata, Mahindra, Force, all these four-wheelers I have driven now. I got fed up with all these four-wheelers. Thar has come from Mahindra recently, much more upgraded, which was really Invader. Also Gurkha Force has come, and Jimny Maruti has also launched, which was really Gypsy. I have tested all these, but it looks just nonsense to me. I don't like to even touch four-wheelers anymore. Two-wheelers are my really passion. They are really my driving force because I love this challenge. Riding four-wheelers is very comfortable, safer 40 times more than two-wheelers, but I'm not afraid to die. Anytime anybody will die, I have unwavering courage, fearless man. But to get this kind of courage, conviction, determination, willpower and passion to be a rider, I've learned very seriously the skill. It is not the speed, but it is skill. And your skills are tested when you are driving at a very low speed. When you are negotiating U-turn, you are negotiating the corners, what kind of a speed you will use, what brakes you will apply, how much speed you can give, and also the different trails, the surfaces. Because the contact point of your tires with the pavements or unpaved path can really determine your safety and security. Sands are very dangerous, the concretes are very dangerous, the gravels are very dangerous because the tires have not really traction properly with the ground, so they will roll over. So all these I have learned by hard way, by dislocating my right shoulder. But I am very careful. I'm very careful. Surface is very important. You have to learn the trick to ride different surfaces. And I'm very proud to see that on the YouTube, you have seen so many great teachers are available. All are good. Somebody says someone is best. I don't agree. All are best. They have devoted whole life. You cannot say somebody is good or somebody is bad. Thank you.